In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to GoHighLevel. By the end, your Typeform submissions will automatically trigger a workflow inside GoHighLevel so you can follow up faster and keep your pipeline organized. Before we start, make sure you have access to your GoHighLevel account and in at least one live Typeform you'd like to connect. Begin inside GoHighLevel. From the left-hand menu, open Automation. This is where all your automated processes live. Next, go into Workflows, the area that lets you build step-by-step automations based on triggers and actions. Create a new workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Starting fresh gives you full control over what kicks things off and what happens next. On the blank canvas, add a new trigger. In the search bar, type Typeform and select the New Entry option. This trigger fires each time someone submits a response in Typeform, which is exactly what we want. If GoHighLevel isn't connected to your Typeform account yet, click Connect. A secure window will open asking you to sign in and authorize access. Approve the permissions by clicking Allow. If you've already connected Typeform in the past, a quick refresh will pull in your existing forms. Tip: if you don't see the prompt, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and confirm you're logged into the correct Typeform workspace. Give your workflow trigger a clear name so you can recognize it later. Something like Typeform, New Entry, your form name. Good naming keeps things tidy, especially as your automations grow. Now choose your filters. At minimum, select the specific Typeform you want this workflow to listen for. You can also narrow things down further if needed, for example, by focusing on a particular form or response attribute to keep the workflow from running on unrelated entries. Filters help reduce noise and ensure the right contacts move forward. When everything looks correct, click Save Trigger. Saving locks in your selection of Typeform, the new entry event, and any filters you've applied. You should now see your trigger listed at the top of the workflow, confirming that it will fire when a new Typeform response arrives. That's it for the connection itself. From here, you're ready to build the rest of the workflow with whatever actions you need, like creating a contact, sending a confirmation email, notifying your team, or applying a tag. For best results, send a quick test through your Typeform later to confirm the trigger fires as expected and that your downstream steps behave the way you want. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Typeform to GoHighLevel connection.